What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Share the Love by Lukas Graham and we are featuring G-Eazy. I did a lot of songs by G-Eazy, so you can check out my channel. So for this song we don't have any capo, it's instant tuning. So let's have a look at the chord shapes. I'm actually super excited to share this with you guys because it's super easy to play. There's just 4 chords, 1 chord progression, easy way. Just gonna give you a cheat code to keep the chord progression in your mind. Though it's just 4 chords, anyone can actually master that, but still everything will be super easy over here. One string pattern. So let's dive into the chord shapes. No need to look at the structure because I told you before, same thing. Let's start off with a bar chord, which is a B minor, which is mu 2 4 4 3 2. If you struggle a lot playing this chord, you can just play it like this. Otherwise, the best way, the normal way, is to play mute 2 4 4 3 2. Index is bar, and I got the A minor over here, so it's a B minor. Then you have a D, which is mute open second third second. Lovely chord. A G major 3 2 open 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 3. And lastly A, which is mute open second 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 open. That's it for the chord shapes. Alright, the chord progression will be a B minor, A, D, G. This chord progression is very common, but still there's a nice way to keep this in your mind. B, we got a B, then we have an A, then we got a D, so it becomes bad. So bad, we got bad. And then we got a G, so let that G be a girl, so bad girl. A nice way to remember the chord progression. Bad girl, A, D, girl. So let's have a look at the strumming pattern. I'm doing 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So on the 1 2 and the 4, I'm likely strumming the A, E, the D strings. Like I'm mainly focusing on the bass strings, you can say. And on the 3, I'm strumming the full chord, and that goes in throughout the whole song. 1 2 3 4. And what you can do is you can just pick the individual notes also. You can pick the A string, then the E string, D string, then the A, D, then ba. And then go to the A, you pick the A string, D string, A string. And that's how you can just go. So B minor, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, ba, good, 1 2 3 4, 3 4. So pick G major, you can pick the E string, A string, down, E string. B minor, A string, D string, down, A string. D major, G, A. I'm very sorry, I got confused. Bad girl, A, D, G, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 3 4. So let's keep that simple, don't make that a bit confusing. It's very easy. 1 2 tap 4. Or you can even do down 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 up, down 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 up down down. So you got a lot of options over here. B, A, D, bad girl. Down 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 up down 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 up down 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 down. And that's basically everything you need for the song. So it helps you out. Make sure to drop that thumbs up button, subscribe, because that's gonna make you a better guitarist, I promise. You can check out my channel, a lot of music coming out this Friday. Already came out many, so make sure to check them out. Again, subscribe, hit that bell icon to stay notified. You may be sometimes actually disturbed with so many notifications coming, so you can actually keep that off if you want, but I actually upload a lot of videos, so that's the reason I'm telling keep your notification off or on. Let's see your wish, because I upload a lot of videos. That's it, and I'll see you guys back in the next tutorial. Bye.